Have you ever wondered what the kitchen of the future looks like? Well, in 2025, it's no longer a dream, it's here. Imagine a kitchen that thinks for you, cooks for you, and even helps you save time and energy. From AI-powered ovens that know exactly how to cook your food to fridges that can automatically order groceries for you, smart kitchen upgrades are transforming how we cook and live. But how can these high-tech appliances make your life easier? Stick with us, because we're about to dive into the most exciting kitchen innovations that will change the way you cook, clean, and enjoy your space. Ready to see the future of kitchens? Let's go! 1. Why smart kitchens matter. Welcome to the future of cooking. In 2025, smart kitchens are not just about looking modern. They're about making life easier, faster, and better. Imagine walking into your kitchen and everything just knows what you need. From making your morning coffee to reminding you what to cook for dinner, your kitchen can now think for you. These upgrades are designed to save time, reduce stress, and help you enjoy your day without worrying about small tasks. Whether you're a busy parent, someone who lives alone, or a couple trying to stay healthy, a smart kitchen can fit right into your life. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use any of it. In this video, we'll show you the most exciting smart appliances and AI features you'll find in kitchens this year. And we're starting with something that feels almost too good to be true: the AI chef that's already cooking in people's homes. 2. The AI chef is in. Let's talk about the AI chef. Yes, it's real. And it's already changing how people cook at home. In 2025, smart cooking assistants can help you plan your meals, choose recipes, and even guide you step by step while you cook. You don't have to search the internet or flip through a cookbook. Just tell the AI what you feel like eating, and it will find a recipe based on what's in your fridge. It even tells you how long it will take and shows you what to do. Some smart ovens can connect with the AI and set the right time and temperature by themselves. No guesswork. No stress. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you want and how you like your food. Cooking at home has never been this easy or this smart. And if you're wondering how the AI knows what's in your fridge, wait till you see what smart fridges can do. 3. Your fridge has eyes. Now let's look inside the fridge. But this is not just any fridge. In 2025, smart fridges can see what's inside. Yes, they have tiny cameras that check your food every time you open the door. These fridges can tell you what's fresh, what's about to expire, and what you need to buy. Some can even send a message to your phone when you're at the store. No more guessing if you still have milk or eggs. They can also suggest meals using the food you already have. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing recipe ideas on the screen. No more wasting time thinking, "What should I cook today?" And if something runs out, the fridge can even order it for you online. It's like having a smart helper in your kitchen 24/7. Now that your fridge is thinking for you, let's move on to something even cooler: kitchen gadgets you don't need too much. It's a total game changer. You don't want to miss it. 4. Touchless everything. Imagine walking into your kitchen and not needing to touch anything. In 2025, smart kitchens will have touchless technology everywhere. Want to turn on the lights? Just wave your hand. Need water? Hold your hand under the faucet, and it starts flowing. These gadgets use motion sensors to detect your movements. Some even work with your voice. For example, you can ask your smart speaker to turn on the oven, play music, or even adjust the temperature. No need to touch a button or dial. This makes everything faster and cleaner. You won't even need to touch the handles of your fridge or dishwasher. The kitchen practically works on its own. And guess what? The best part is yet to come. Let's dive into how your oven could be smarter than you think. 5. Self-cleaning innovations. Let's talk about cleaning. In 2025, you won't have to scrub your oven or wipe down counters every day. There are smart appliances that clean themselves. Some ovens now have self-cleaning modes that do all the hard work for you. They can burn away food stains with high heat, so all you need to do is wipe it down. Even the kitchen floors are getting smarter. Robotic cleaners can sweep and mop your floors while you're busy doing other things. These robots learn the layout of your kitchen and clean every corner. And guess what? Some countertops now come with special coatings that resist dirt and spills. That means less wiping and more time enjoying your kitchen. The kitchen is getting so smart, it's almost like it cleans itself. Now, after all that cleaning, what's next? Well, let's see how your oven can take cooking to a whole new level. 6. Ovens that think ahead. Now, let's talk about your oven. In 2025, ovens are smarter than ever. Some ovens can think for you. Imagine placing a dish inside, and the oven knows exactly how to cook it. These smart ovens have cameras and sensors that can recognize the food. They adjust the temperature and cooking time on their own. No more guessing if your pizza is done or if the chicken is cooked through. The oven just does it for you. Some models even have apps that let you control the oven from your phone. You can start cooking while you're still on the couch or in another room. And if you're worried about overcooking or burning food, don't be. These ovens can alert you when the food is ready. It's like having a chef's assistant right in your kitchen. With your oven working this smart, let's see what other kitchen appliances can make your life easier. 7. Automated meal planning and shopping. Let's move on to meal planning. In 2025, your kitchen can plan your meals for you. You no longer have to spend time thinking about what to cook every day. Smart kitchen systems can create meal plans based on what you like to eat and what you have in your fridge. These systems connect to your smart fridge and pantry, so they always know what's available. They can suggest recipes and even build your shopping list automatically. If you run out of an ingredient, the system can order it for you. Some smart kitchens can even connect with online grocery stores like Amazon Fresh or Instacart, so you don't have to leave your house. All you have to do is follow the recipes and let the kitchen take care of the rest. Meal planning becomes easy, and grocery shopping becomes quick. Now that meal prep is handled, let's look at how your kitchen can save energy. 8. Energy Genius. Let's talk about saving energy. In 2025, your kitchen will be smarter about how it uses power. Many smart appliances can help you save energy without you having to think about it. For example, some fridges can adjust their temperature based on how full they are, saving electricity. Smart ovens can turn off automatically when they're done cooking, so you never waste power. Some appliances also let you set timers so they run only when it's cheapest or most efficient, like late at night when electricity is cheaper. Smart kitchen tech can also give you real-time reports on how much energy you're using. This way, you can make better choices and save money on your bills. Not only is it good for your wallet, but it's also better for the environment. So, while your kitchen is working smartly to save energy, it's also saving you time. Let's now move on to how your kitchen can become even more personalized just for you. 9. Personalizing your kitchen experience. Now, let's talk about making your kitchen truly yours. In 2025, smart kitchens can adjust to your personal needs and preferences. For example, some smart fridges or ovens remember your favorite recipes or meals. They can even suggest food based on what you've liked before. If you prefer a specific temperature or cooking time, your oven can set it automatically the next time you cook. You can also create personalized settings for lighting, music, and even the kitchen's temperature. Imagine walking into your kitchen, and it feels like it was set up just for you. Some smart systems can even recognize your voice or face, so they know exactly what you need. It's all about making your kitchen feel more comfortable and easy to use. Now that your kitchen is personal and perfect for you, let's look at how your kitchen can become smarter with voice control. 10. Voice control magic. Let's talk about voice control. In 2025, you don't need to touch a single button in your kitchen. With voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, you can control everything with just your voice. Want to start the coffee maker? Just ask. Need to turn on the oven? Say the word. These smart systems can control your lights, oven, fridge, and even your music, all hands-free. Imagine cooking dinner while chatting with your voice assistant. You can ask for recipe suggestions, set timers, or even check your shopping list without lifting a finger. It makes your kitchen more convenient and fun. The best part? It's so easy to use. So, whether you're cooking, cleaning, or just getting things ready, your kitchen is now at your command. And with everything running smoothly, there's one last thing we need to explore: how to keep your kitchen safe and secure with the latest smart features. 11. Smart security and safety features. Finally, let's talk about keeping your kitchen safe. In 2025, smart kitchens come with built-in security features that protect your home. Some smart ovens have automatic shut-off systems that turn the oven off if it's left on for too long. There are also smoke and carbon monoxide detectors that can alert you on your phone if something is wrong. Smart cameras placed in the kitchen can monitor everything and send alerts if there's unusual activity, making sure your home is secure. And don't forget about child safety. Many smart appliances now come with locks to keep curious little hands from turning on the stove or opening the fridge. With all these features, your kitchen isn't just smart, it's safe. From preventing accidents to giving you peace of mind, your kitchen is working harder than ever to protect your home and family. And there you have it. With all these amazing upgrades, your kitchen in 2025 is ready to change the way you cook, clean, and live. 12. Smart cooking assistants. Now, let's talk about smart cooking assistants. In 2025, your kitchen can have its very own chef. With AI-powered cooking assistants, you can get step-by-step help while making meals. These assistants are built into smart displays or even apps that connect to your appliances. Imagine being able to ask your assistant, "How do I make lasagna?" And it gives you the exact recipe, ingredients, and timing. Some assistants even guide you through each step with pictures and videos. If you need help, they can answer questions and adjust cooking settings, so your dish turns out perfectly every time. With these tools, even beginners can cook like pros. And with everything so easy, cooking will feel less like a chore and more like fun. Let's see how this technology is changing the way we use our kitchen space next. 13. Space-saving smart storage. Now, let's talk about storage. In a smart kitchen, space is never wasted. With the innovations of 2025, your kitchen will become an organized, clutter-free zone. Gone are the days of digging through drawers and cabinets to find what you need. Smart cabinets and drawers can open with a simple wave or even a voice command. No more hunting for the right drawer or cabinet. Everything is easily accessible at the touch of a button. Some systems even use sensors to help you organize your items, ensuring everything stays in its proper place. This means you'll always know where your kitchen tools, spices, and gadgets are, saving you time and frustration. You'll also find clever features like pull-out pantry shelves and hidden compartments that maximize every inch of space. These designs not only save space but also give your kitchen a sleek, modern look. Some smart storage systems go even further by tracking what's inside and sending you reminders when you're running low on essentials. Need more flour or canned beans? Your kitchen will know before you do and even suggest when to restock. With all these smart storage solutions, your kitchen will stay neat and tidy, while being ready for anything life throws your way. Your appliances and cabinets will be as high-tech as they are functional. Now, with all this organization in place, let's see how your kitchen can stay connected to the world around you. 14. Smart lighting and ambience. Let's now talk about smart lighting. In 2025, your kitchen lights can do much more than just turn on and off. Smart lighting can change color, brightness, and even set the mood for any time of day. You can adjust the lights with your voice or phone. Want bright, cool lights for cooking? Just ask. Want warm, soft lights for a cozy dinner? It's done. These lights can also be programmed to turn on or off at specific times. So if you're busy, you don't need to worry about leaving the lights on all day. Some smart lights can even react to what's happening in the kitchen. For example, if you're chopping vegetables, the lights might brighten up, giving you better visibility. It's all about creating the perfect environment with just the touch of a button or a voice command. Now that your kitchen has the right lighting, let's look at how smart speakers can make your cooking even more enjoyable. 15. Smart speakers and entertainment. Next up, let's explore smart speakers in the kitchen. In 2025, smart speakers are becoming your kitchen assistant and entertainment hub. Imagine cooking dinner while listening to your favorite playlist, podcast, or audiobook. With voice control, you can easily change the music, adjust the volume, or even ask for cooking tips. Smart speakers can also set timers, answer questions, and read recipes out loud while you cook. Need a quick recipe or conversion? Just ask, and your speaker will help. It's like having a personal helper while you work in the kitchen. Plus, with voice-controlled entertainment, you can enjoy your time cooking without worrying about touching screens or buttons. So, with smart speakers, cooking becomes fun and hands-free. Now that your kitchen is more fun and efficient, let's see how the latest smart tech can help you save even more time. Bonus section. The future is just getting started. Before we finish, here's a sneak peek at what's coming next for your kitchen. The future of smart kitchens is still growing, and there are even more exciting things to look forward to. Imagine being able to cook with the help of augmented reality. In the near future, your kitchen could project cooking instructions right in front of you as you prepare a meal. No more reading recipes or scrolling through your phone. Everything you need will be right there in your view. Plus, we're likely to see even more appliances that can talk to each other and work together to make cooking easier and faster. And who knows? We might even have robots that help with cooking and cleaning on a whole new level. The smart kitchen revolution is just getting started, and it's only going to get better from here. So stay tuned for more amazing upgrades, because your kitchen will keep getting smarter, making your life even easier. The future of kitchens is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Smart appliances and AI features are making everyday cooking easier, safer, and even more fun. Imagine having a self-cleaning oven that takes care of the mess for you, or a fridge that can automatically order your groceries when you're running low. Your kitchen will never be the same again. These smart upgrades not only make life more convenient, but they also help you save time, energy, and even money. Whether it's a voice-controlled oven or a fridge that suggests meals based on what you have, your kitchen can work smarter for you. So, are you ready to take your kitchen to the next level? Don't wait any longer. Start exploring these amazing smart kitchen ideas and see how they can transform the way you cook, clean, and live. Trust me, once you try these upgrades, you won't want to go back to the old way of doing things. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest kitchen trends, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the next round of smart kitchen tips and innovations. Let's make your kitchen the smartest room in the house.